How you feel, Ma?
Great.
You look at the part.
Do I?
Yeah, look. Apart from the trainers. Plus park trainers. So out again. It's near Wind Hill, at the bottom of Wind Hill. Taking my old Ma up this time for a bit of a walk in the camp. We tried to go up Bleak Low today, but we're way too windy. And yeah, so we're on the way up. No problem for the old girl. Straight up, like a womble. Huge into these ferns. Beautiful. Yeah, so I spent quite a bit of money trying to get the kit really light, nice and light. So I took my mum with me. Not only have I got to take a second tent in my bag, we've also put food in, plenty, more than we need, and yet she still brings a pound's worth of gammon in some foil to put on the top of my bag. Pretty steep bit here. Oh. 20, I think. Opening up to the pines now. Good effort. Cheers, hard. Not raining yet. Keep going, you slacker. Hey, Mars, a couple of sheep up there going to take a gammon off us. Hey! So just heading down to where we can see the sun's ending in the day. It's the same spot as I did with Andy a couple of weeks ago. Again, I tried to get up to Bleak Low, but we sort of drove up to the parking spot and the wind was so strong, and I just thought, because I just took my mum up, I thought I'd rather it be pleasant, and I'll just retrace some of the steps we did at Wind Hill just for this one. And I'm going to Wales in a couple of weeks anyway, so yeah, so I'll make it comfortable for her, a bit more time to sort of set the tent up and get things done properly. So I shall see you at the camp. Hey up my oats. Don't want it. Don't want to be our friends more. Just coming down to the woods now. Really windy now. I'm really pleased with my mum because I think She looks like she's a bit more comfortable around here. So hopefully get pitched up anytime soon. Amazing views. Incredible. You ready for camping? You ready, me oats? No. So just set up camp. It's so windy. Luckily we got into the trees. A bit frantic getting the tents up. My mum did really well. There she is now. She's just got a gammon out. Just marinating it now with some sweet sauce. She's got a microwave in there. She's got an iron. She's got a Breville. Come on, let's have a taste test. Delicious. Delicious. Nescafe. Oh, lovely. Yeah, nice. Are you cosy?
Lovely. Lovely and tasty.
It's a good job I pinned the tent down. He's blown his tits off. You know. Just having the last beer and then we're going to get the food on. Cut mum's £8 worth of gammon that we don't want and some steaks. So that's the first main up. Salt and pepper steak, onions and cherry tomatoes. Enjoy.
Enjoying your food, Jamie?
Oh yes. Paprika steak. Lovely. You cozy?
Yeah. Tasty.
Toasty. Then finish my steak. Right, I've just had dinner. Just having tea and biscuits. What you got?
Crisp.
Really windy night, but yeah, really comfortable. Happy days. Cheers, Ma.
Cheers, son.
So she survived the night. Just having a coffee, checking out the view. have a couple of minutes, we'll get some porridge on. Woke up really early, didn't we?
Yeah.
Because Mum's having a great sleep. Oh, yeah.
Can't sleep.
Yeah, just checking out the views. Having a nice cup of coffee. You've already had your coffee because you have to down it boiling hot, don't you?
Yep.
Down it in one. I wonder what mushroom that is. So just heading back to the car now. A little bit easier, just through the woods. Oh yeah, we didn't eat that gammon in the end. Put it back in the bag now, so we're just taking it all the way back down. So another £3.
And we'll have it for dinner later.
It's another great camp spot. Really huge pines. Really flat. That looks amazing, that one. Amazing forests. Does anyone know what these mushrooms are? Really interesting looking, aren't they?
I'll zoom in now to get them.
Hey up me oats. No? More leave them alone. Couple of jobs. Stunning scenery. Definitely autumn here now, with these leaves falling. So just coming down to the reservoir now. Yeah, it's been a really nice camp, really windy last night, but yeah, good experience. Put the tents up in the wind there like that. Yeah, it all went really well. A little bit of rain this morning, nothing too major. So it was about 18 degrees last night, so we had it really warm. But I don't think it's going to last a lot longer. I think the cold weather's going to have to start coming in at some point. So start wrapping up a little bit more. That face of concentration. Look how low the drain hole is. Hey, ladybower. Seriously though.